Hello guys, hi, welcome to my YouTube channel IT Magic Mehta YouTube channel. Uh, Today I am going to show you how to make multi-bootable pen drive. We have to show my previous video how to make bootable pen drive, only bootable, but today I am going to show you how to make multi-bootable pen drive. Okay, that's for uh, you have to need three things. One, you have to USB pen drive. Other things is you have to need win setup from USB one applications. Other thing, you ISO file. Okay guys, you need to ISO file of any OS. That's which you want to uh, make bootable. In my case I will choose here multi Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10, but here I going to choose here Windows 7. Okay guys, Windows 7, then I click Windows 7, Windows 7. Then you have to open it. First of all, you have to win from setup, open it. This is my win applications. We have to extract it, extract here. Okay guys, extract here. I will I will already extract applications, which is here. You have to select the which bit your system computer system. In my case, my system has a 64 bit.